Let's just jump right in and create the number guessing game in C#. Let's see, what did Copilot do for us? Wow, created quite a bit of code. But will it run? Asking us to guess a number. Too low. Too low. 85. Wow, it only took us 3 guesses. So we did that in what, less than a minute? Created the number guessing game. But maybe that's not what we want to do. Let's try rock, paper, scissors. Thinking about it. And there's some code that it generated. So let's accept that. And let's see if that will run for us. Let's do paper. And we win. What if video games aren't really what we want to do? What if we want to do something a little more classic? Let's try FizzBuzz here. And accept that. It looks like it should work. Let's run it and see. Yep, and there's FizzBuzz working. What about the classic interview question? Reversing a linked list. Well, that looks like it could be correct. Let's accept it. Let's run it and see. And there's our original linked list and our reverse linked list. So you can see with very little effort, Copilot was able to generate quite a bit of code for us.